Hello, welcome to or back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lauren and I post fashion, lifestyle, and all about my small business. So for today's video, we are going to be taking this little area that I have right here and we're going to be turning it into like something that is totally Pinterest worthy. It is going to be so cute and I am so obsessed with this corner. So without further ado, let's just get right into it because I'm very excited. Okay, we're just gonna address the elephant in the room. I picked at this pimple very bad and now it looks terrible. So hello. As you can see, I have a bunch of garbage behind me. So we are going to be tearing down this thing today and we are going to be unboxing what is in here, which I thought I had everything. I need scissors. Hold on. Also, can you tell me if I'm trendy or not? Look, I thrifted this. Okay, so basically I got these crates that everyone has on TikTok and me and my sister couldn't wait, so we opened the box last night. But let me show you because they are so cute and they are so affordable, and I think I'm gonna buy more because this size was $12. There's a smaller size that was $6 and there's a larger size, I don't know how much it was, I feel like 15 or something, but like they're great. Look. Okay. And green, obviously. I think it's olive green. And they're so easy to set up. Look at this. I guess it's just a struggle for me. Oh, there we go. Okay, so here's this one. And then I got two, I think they're light gray, but they look white. One, two. Okay, they kind of look gray on camera, but okay. So these are my other two crates. So let's open those up. And the best part is that they stack on top of each other. These are great. Okay, so what I want to do is kind of take them and alternate them. So put them like this. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. So we're just gonna set these aside for a moment, and if you can see what's back there, I got this little wire rack from Amazon and I just want to put it there. Okay, I have it out of the box and now we gotta put it together. So next I have to take down the clothing rack and I think that's gonna be a while. So I will be back in just a second. Handy woman. Should I go this way or should they go the other way? I'm thinking turn them. Okay, so here's what we're working with right now. It's a little bit bare, obviously, but I have the little shoe rack and the crates, which I feel like if I get more, they would look better. What do you guys think? Just kidding. Okay, something else that I wanted to show you that's Decor is something that I got at a vintage store, and it's not like anything old. It's like somebody handmade it, which is so cute, but just wait. It's a green ceramic egg carton and I feel like I can put soil in here and I can make this into a little plant thing. What? I love this. the next time I go shopping or just go anywhere that I can start filling up these crates, I will come back and I'll start filming. Hello, so it is a different day and today we are going to be potting some plants, and also I am going to be painting slash just like decorating a little gadget that I have right there. But first, let's take a time lapse of me putting my plants in the ceramic pot that I bought from the vintage store the other day. First, let me show you my plants because they're really cute. Okay, so here are the 4 plants that I got. They are from Home Depot. This one is a cocoon plant. This one is a mimicry. This one is a jade plant. This one is really pretty. And then lastly, we have a panda plant. I tried to get the ones that are like the most unique and that didn't look like everything else. I'm going to take them and put them into this planter right here. I also bought some soil. That's the soil that I bought. It's a lot and I'm probably not gonna need it at all. And also, don't tell anyone, but I saw this hack on TikTok where if you see these on the ground and they're already like off the plants, you can actually grow your own plants just from these little pieces. So I'm gonna try it. The lady didn't like say anything whenever I was checking out, so yeah, I just snuck them out. Hello, so it is a little bit later. I did my plants as you guys saw earlier, but now I have a little setup on my bed and I'm going to watch Scream Queens on Hulu while I take a permanent marker and I draw on this little like old game that my sister got from my dad a few Christmases ago. It's Pac-Man. He doesn't really play it, so yeah, I am gonna use it as decor and I'm just gonna put zebra print on it, so that should be pretty fun. Hello again. So I got a few more of my packages in. Since this looks like it's like unproportionate, I got 2 more of the crates, so I have those here. I don't know if you guys have seen them, but they're like, there's a whole bunch of like really cool and aesthetic candles all over TikTok, and I found this small business, but it actually came from the UK, which is really stinky cool. And then I also got a ring holder and some other things from Shein, so we are going to be unboxing that. So first, I guess we'll just start with Shein because that's the least exciting. So whenever I was on the website, I found one top that I really thought was cute. It doesn't look the same
that's on the website. That's okay. I also just got some stickers to put in my packaging for my business. So there's just a couple of stickers here. Oh, I also got this super cute heart ring. I'm very excited for it. But yeah, it looks really like fake, but I think it'll be really cute for like Instagram or something. Yeah, so that's really cute. Okay, I also got this, which is a headband that I can wear whenever I am washing my face, and it's a frog. I thought that was so cute. Okay, and lastly, what we are most excited for, it's halfway out of the protective thing that I'm gonna put on top, and it's supposed to be like a ring holder. So, like, that is so cute. Next, we're gonna do the candles. I'm so excited for these. I can't believe this came all the way from the UK. Like, that is so cool. There are so many creative people out in the world. Hopefully I don't sound weird, but it smells like some kind of doll that you would get when you were younger. Not weird. Ah! Okay, so on the top it says candle safety. It's like a little safety thing. It's also a super cute thank you card. Anytime that I ever buy from a small business, I keep all of their packaging, all of their cards and everything, because it's literally so cute. And I know that someone worked so hard to do this, so I keep it all. So yeah, I keep all small business packaging, and I am so excited. These look so cute, and they're each individually wrapped. Oh my, it's perfect. So I got a pack of 3, and they were like the neutral tones, which I thought went perfectly. So this one is white, this one is like a light brown, and then this one is a dark brown. So, oh my god, so pretty. And I got the scented one. It smells so nice. I probably won't even use them because they're so pretty, but she gave me a little like discount code, and that's so fun. So cute. So cute. Okay. Yes, I love. Okay, and the last thing we need to open are these crates. So, okay, so this company is also really cool because I didn't tell you guys earlier, I can't remember, but each one like comes with a little sticker, and it says packaged with pride by, and then it says someone's name. Like, it tells you who packaged that, like, so you know that it's not just some like company that doesn't care about their workers or anything. Like, I think that that's really cool. So much nicer that it's like the same level. I like that much better. Okay, so we have this done, which I think is really, really, really cute. Very Instagrammable and very Pinterest worthy. That's all I'm gonna be doing for today. I still need to print out some pictures to put on this wall, and then I'm also getting new bedding in the mail. And then after that, we're going to complete.